Hello YouTube, I am about to get 97 wood cutting. Got 2 grand left. Figured to start the video now. I'm gonna do the rest of this tree and then I'm gonna go to Rock's tree, get that done, so that's gonna take up a couple minutes. And then I'm gonna do the bank. Yeah. I ain't got much really to talk about right now. I just need to get this stuff done. You guys, I hope, can hear me. Okay. That is pretty cool. Person, different person, same person as the second guy. That is cool. I like that. And I don't know how they do that. Like, that's pretty cool. Oh, heck. 2 more logs, boys. And we got her done. And then a couple more logs or whatever. Well, if I get it here, I'll just step into that bank behind me. So, if I don't get it here, then, yeah, I didn't get it here. So, we're going to have to sit through another 5 minutes. Yeah. And then I'm gonna go get to do the bank and show you how many elder logs I got. That's basically the bank right there, you know. I'm just cutting elder logs, just, minding my own business because I don't have much money. But I'm making money. It's probably around 11 mil by now. 11.5, I'll say. Yeah, I'll say 11.5. Sounds about right. I don't know. I haven't price checked it since the last video. I've just been going, not paying any attention. Yep. What's this person's skill? Holy crap. I wonder what this guy. Oh, he has this private thing on. He's got 99 wood cutting. Oh, that's the guy that's been around quite a bit. See him every once in a while. Um, should get this any second now. Boom, woot, 97 wood cutting. Yay. Hi to YouTube. LOL. That's pretty funny. That's awesome. Yeah, my juju pod is wearing off, so I think I'm gonna uh, drink that again. Start cutting in. Now I got another like 4 to 5 days until I level up again. But I don't think we're gonna be all that much longer, guys. I mean, 99's coming up pretty fast. Double XP should, help me out, hopefully. So yeah, I'm just chilling, doing my thing, cutting these damn trees. Hopefully any time now. Oh, god damn it, my heater just kicked on. It is super loud, if you guys can hear that. It hasn't even kicked fully on. It's just the fan running right now. Like, it's mild of what actually happens. Like, it gets loud as fuck. But yeah, so we're just gonna get this tree done. Hopefully anytime soon. And then you guys probably get to see me, click the yes button on my bank thing. Because I'm putting a pin on it right now, which is good. And then I need to make sure that I get my pin put in first before I start making a video. You know it. 1.1 mil, and then the next one's going to be like 1.3 mil. So, the last one was probably about a mil. If that. I think it was a mil. I'm pretty sure it was a mil. Oh, don't give me a full inventory. Because then I gotta drop logs and assholes could pick it up. Actually, these guys are pretty cool, actually. They actually talk, I think. Yeah, I'm guessing that other guy was a bot. I've seen him around quite a bit. Do, 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 do. Come on, you frickin' tree, go down. Oh my god. Great, guys, great. Probably gonna have to drop one there. Come on, Elder Tree, just frickin' go down. I'm not sure if it goes... Oh, yes! Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Here we go. Now go to Edgeville and show you all the bank. I haven't made like all that much. I had work today, so I made like a half progress. I would have made more, but you know, work comes before video games. Just like how school should come before video games, but I really didn't like school, so I made it through it though. That's all that matters though. I made it through it, and people were assholes, but I got through it. Yep. 2,570 logs, guys. And then we're gonna take these out. I'm gonna do the full bank again, guys. I don't think pure essence even count. Like, that's not even anything. I don't think that's even worth like a freaking scavenge. Now these uncut dragon stones are worth something. Okay, come on, go down. Thank you. Ooh, I just got a hiccup. That didn't taste very good. I think, guys, I am gonna actually go and sell this stuff that I am kind of picking out. Besides the logs, I'm keeping the logs. Don't get that wrong. I'm keeping those logs. They're good. So now I have to keep on doing this, you know. Oh, well, I got my huge pouch still, or my giant pouch still, but that doesn't do me any good. I think I'm missing something. Oh, I already sold my rubies, my cut rubies. I didn't even know that. What's this? Oh yeah, anti-fire. Yeah, I try to go do KBD with those damn things, but I need super anti-potion flasks, whatever, but I can't have those. And I have some grand potions. I actually don't know how much these cost, so we are going to go check that out right now. I think they actually might be worth a couple of dollars. And I'm going to go sell those because I don't want them. I'm probably not going to get that on video, though, of me selling them. But, yeah. Alright, let's grab the cash stack out of the pouch. Withdraw 1 billion. Okay. My numlock is not working. There it is. Alright, guys. Boom. Alright, 3, 2, 1. 13.7 mil, guys. So we made about 4 mil in about a day. No, 2 mil because I think we had like a 11. Yeah, we had 11. Yeah, so almost 3 mil. We almost made 3 mil. Because I think it was just a little bit in the middle there. I don't even think it was at 1K or 100K there. So yeah, we're at 13.7 mil. So yeah, I am gonna put the logs back in. I'm gonna go to the Grand Exchange and I'm gonna sell all this other stuff. Actually, how much were these worth? I think I might keep those for training later. Yeah, I'm gonna keep those for training. I'm selling my battle stats, of course. Dun, 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 dun. Throw my Elder Logs back in here. Yeah, guys. So that's bank so far from this rebuild. Hope you enjoyed. Click the like and subscribe button if you want to follow along with this rebuild. We're on, I think, 5 now? No, 4. No, 5. I don't know. One of those two, I think. So, catch you guys later. And hit that subscribe button if you want to see more.